Definition of done. Users may suggest ideas or concepts for a new feature that they may want to include into the product with the next update. To fulfill this, the team working on that product figures out how to develop those ideas into clear user stories, so as to include them in the next sprint implementation. To ensure that the implementation is done properly, the teams define certain criteria to measure the readiness, progress, and quality, such as definition of done and definition of ready. In this video, we'll take a look at the definition of done, DoD. It is defined as a checklist for all the sprint backlog items that have passed all the conditions and acceptance criteria and are ready to be accepted by the users, consumers, or teams. In other words, DoD is more like a command agreement on a specific topic. This list is made by the developers along with the product owner. Let's delve into some examples of DoD. Writing and passing of unit tests. Updating documentation. Building features without any errors. Testing the feature against acceptance criteria. Performing Q&A sessions and resolving the problems. Whether all acceptance criteria met. Did the product owner review? Let's now look into some steps that can help a team clarify the definition of done. 1. Formation of a checklist template. The team can brainstorm to create a checklist template for your definition of done with clear rules to be applied on every approved task in your sprint. You should make it visible to the entire Scrum team. 2. Decide with your team on your definition of done. The developer should be involved in defining done along with the product owner. The Scrum Master facilitates the brainstorming conversations. 3. Ensure every task has its particular acceptance criteria. No matter what product or app you are developing, you have to ensure that every user story or product backlog item includes relevant acceptance criteria and information while working through your sprint planning process. You can create checklist templates so that the whole team properly understands what they need to do. Also, the team can find it easy to rightly tick off the section if all the acceptance criteria are met. 4. Do not worry about the list of criteria. It is the Scrum team that decides on their definition of done. Therefore, so engage the whole Scrum team on what to include in your criteria. This process includes managing and reviewing the definition of done as they progress. 5. Review your DoD against company requirements. You should occasionally review the definition of done against your main principles to meet all of your organizational needs. An organizational checklist can help as a quick source to start creating definition of done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to PremierAgile Learning Shorts to get an alert for our next video where we will take a look at the definition of ready.
Stay tuned for more PremierAgile Learning Shorts. Thank you for watching this video. Do click on the subscribe button to get an alert for our new PremierAgile Learning Shorts.